At the bus stop.
Excuse me, does this bus go to Main Street?
Yes, it does. Bus number 12 goes downtown.
Perfect. How much is the fare?
It's $2. You can pay with cash or a card.
Thank you. Is it a long ride?
Not really. About 15 minutes.
Good. And where do I get off?
Get off at the third stop after the library. I'll tell you.
That's very kind of you.
No problem. Here's the bus now.
Talking to a cashier.
Hi, did you find everything okay today?
Yes, thank you.
Your total is $18.75. Cash or card?
Card, please. Can I also get a bag?
Sure, that's 10 cents extra.
That's fine. Do you need my zip code?
No, just tap your card there. Great, here's your receipt.
Thanks. Have a nice day.
You too.
Asking a stranger a question.
Sorry to bother you. Do you know what time it is?
Sure, it's almost 10:15.
Thanks. Are we near Central Park?
Yes, you're close. Walk straight for 2 blocks.
2 blocks that way?
That's right. You'll see the entrance.
I appreciate your help.
No worries.
Asking about prices.
I like this shirt. How much is it?
Let me check the tag. It's $24.99.
Is it on sale?
Yes, it's 20% off today.
So how much is that?
That would be about $20.
That's a good price. I'll take it.
Great choice.
Asking about nearby places.
Hi, is there a bank around here?
Yes, there's one on Oak Street.
Is it far?
No, it's just a 5-minute walk.
Which way is Oak Street?
Turn left at the corner. The bank is next to the pharmacy.
Left at the corner. Got it. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Asking for help.
Excuse me, I think I'm lost. Can you help me?
Of course. Where are you trying to go?
To the post office on 5th Avenue.
Oh, you're going the wrong way. You need to turn around.
Really? How far is it?
It's about half a mile back that way.
Okay, thank you for your help.
No problem. Good luck.
Talking to a receptionist?
Good morning. I have a 10 a.m. appointment.
What's your name, please?
Keanu Smith.
Yes, I see you here. Please have a seat.
Thank you. Will it be a long wait?
The doctor is running about 10 minutes late.
That's okay. Should I sign in?
You already are. I'll call you soon.
Sounds good.
Ordering takeaway. Hi, I'd like to order for pickup, please.
Sure, go ahead.
Can I get a large cheese pizza and a garden salad?
Anything to drink with that?
Yes, a large soda, please.
Your total is $22.50. What's your name?
Lovely. How long will it take?
About 20 minutes, lovely.
Perfect. I'll see you then.
Asking about weather.
It's really cold today.
I know. Did you check the weather forecast?
Not yet. What's the temperature?
It's only 45 degrees Fahrenheit.
Will it rain later?
The news said it might rain this afternoon.
I should take my umbrella then.
That's a good idea.
Thanks for letting me know.
Talking about simple problems? You look worried. Is everything okay?
My phone battery is dead.
Oh no. Do you need to make a call?
Yes, I need to call my sister. Can I borrow your phone?
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you so much. I'll be quick.
Take your time. It's no trouble.
You're a lifesaver.